Let me ask you something honestly. If you were starting trading today with just $5, what would you expect? Most beginners either think it's impossible or believe that they can turn it into hundreds overnight. The truth is somewhere in the middle. I'm starting this challenge with $5 not to prove you that trading is easy, but to show you what trading really looks like at the beginning. Slow, careful, and focused on learning, not gambling. In this series, I'll trade this account step by step, explain every decision, every entry, and every mistake, so the beginners can see the process, not just the result. If you are new to trading and you want to learn the right way, like this video and subscribe so you don't miss the next episodes. I also share updates and extra explanations in my Telegram channel. And we go live every Tuesday and Thursday where you can watch how we trade in real time and ask questions. Alright, let's start this challenge from the very first trade. Euro ruble is forming the signal to open the trade in the upward direction. I already checked this chart on 5 minutes time frame. As you can see, I already drew here the support line, so there is a clear structure. I also can draw here the resistance somewhere there, I would say. And our price is super close to the support line right now, and MACD lines are crossed in the oversold zone. As you can see, MACD is MACD consists of the oversold. MACD consists of the overbought zone, the zero line, and the oversold zone. So the lines crossed here. Even though there are some downward candles, I think I can wait here a little bit and in a little bit open the trade in the upward direction. Today I'm using one of my favorite strategies. It's perfect for the newbies. It's perfect for any time frames. You can trade on 30 seconds, on 1 minute, on 5 minutes, and even on 10 minutes. I'm using MACD with a fast period 12, slow period 24, and signal period 9, and moving average with a period 100 exponential, and the other one with 200 and also exponential. And look at this beautiful candle. Let's check what time we need to enter. At 4:06 there was a signal to open the trade in the upward direction, and yeah, I think we can open the trade for 5 minutes in the upward direction. $5, let's go. And the last couple of seconds and I'll get the profit of $4.60. Here we go. Next one. JODCNY formed the signal to open the trade in the upward direction. I would enter here for 3 minutes in the upward direction. As usual, MACD crossed in the oversold zone. For me, that's the signal to open the trade in the upward direction. Also, our price is moving in the upward trend in general, and I can see an additional support line somewhere there, though it was not touching here, right, the support, but I believe that it will go up at least in the next 3 minutes. So let's wait. And the last couple of seconds and $8.83 are coming to me. Yay, that was a good one. Let's go for the next one. JODCNY again formed the signal to open the trade in the upward direction, and of course I'm entering. Again, MACD crossed in the oversold zone. It touched the support this time. Actually, you see, we entered the previous time, as I remember, here. It went up, then it touched the support again, and I think that it will go up. I love such currency pairs which always give me the profit like this one. Let's go for the next one. AUDCHF just formed the signal to open the trade in the downward direction. I want to wait, well, it closed, so the candle. 5 minutes in the downward direction. Let's go. $35.39. So MACD lines again crossed in the overbought zone. For me, that's the signal to open the trade in the downward direction. And if we check it on the longer time frame, this chart is moving in the lateral trend. So here we can open the trades up and down in any direction we want. It touches the resistance line and it goes down. Here it went almost halfway, and here again, and yeah, again it did it the same here. So you know, this chart has a clear structure and pattern, so I hope that this one is gonna be profitable. And another profit is coming in 5 seconds. What an amazing signal was this one. Yoo-hoo! $67.95. Amazing result. And a UDCHF, I checked it again on the longer time frame and I saw another support zone in the middle. Right there you see there were many touches, so that means that there is somewhere the support zone, and right now it again starts to go up. Our MACD lines crossed, it touched the support zone where I can see it, so I think we can enter again in the upward direction for 5 minutes. $67 this time. Let's go, let's see how it goes. Whoa, 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 look how much up it went. It looks like a perfect trade, and I was right about the support zone, and we just got $130 profit. Well done, Julia. Alright, that's where this challenge begins. Today wasn't about making big money, it was about setting the right mindset, protecting the account, and understanding how much patience trading actually requires, especially with a small balance. In the next episode, we will continue this challenge and focus on consistency and discipline, not forcing the trades or chasing profits. If you want to follow this challenge step by step, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Join the Telegram channel for updates between episodes. And feel free to join our live trading sessions every Tuesday and Thursday to see real trades in real time. Take it slow, this is just the beginning, and I'll see you in the episode 2.